Say hi, Madison. We're making homemade macaroni and cheese. Move that. That just makes me look like a bad parent. Hi. Madison's stirring the macaroni. Show us how you stir that macaroni. Is it on your hand? Are you saying hi? Hi, yes. Good job. You're doing so good. Are you done stirring? It's made kind of a mess. These are dirty dishes. Say hi. Yep, good job. Mix that macaroni. Say bye-bye. Can't. Doing so good. Stirring the macaroni. Can you say? That's all you want to say is no? Say hi. Yes, outside. Think she's done. Is it done? That's our macaroni. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good job. Bye.